welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to introduce you to Forento, an online course platform that I think could be a game changer, especially if you are starting out and want something affordable and easy to use. If you are an educator, content creator, or entrepreneur looking to launch your first online course, this video is for you. So Forento is an online course platform or LMS, short for Learning Management System, that allows you to create, sell, and deliver your course content as well as manage your students at startup in out of the Sweden, and they are currently in a beta stage. So that means that they're looking for your feedback all the time. If you feel, guys, that you want to add something, just do not hesitate. Just let them know, and they'll be much appreciated, and they will reply to you. Okay, so if you are looking for a platform that's simple to use with strong core features and it doesn't break the bank, Forento might be worth checking. Okay. So let me quickly share what I think about this, why this software stands out. Okay, so first of all, it's a free forever plan. Okay, let's go pricing. I will show you this. Okay, so this one is free forever. Okay, which is perfectly for beginners. Unlike other platforms that charge high upfront fees, Forento's free plan takes a 20% commission. Okay, meaning that you can start without even paying a penny before you start making money. Okay, you don't have to pay anything up front. So as your course grows, okay, and starts selling, you can easily upgrade to one of those paid plans, like $15, $39, or $119, right? So their commission plan starts, they are lower, okay, like for $15 a month, there's no commissions whatsoever. And you can also add your own domain, and it all includes core features like video hosting, course creation, and more. Okay, there is also another option. You might consider to go and join Forento on AppSumo. As we all know, or maybe most of you guys know, AppSumo is offering so-called lifetime deals. Okay, perfect for beginners as well. Okay, so instead of paying monthly here, you will be paying, once off, and there will be no monthly fee going forward. Okay, so few features which they are available here through this lifetime deal. Okay, you can create and sell unlimited number of courses and memberships, create unlimited number of quiz exams and tests, PayPal or Stripe as a payment gateway, connect your own domain, calendar of webinars and calls, create discount codes, customizable platform with free subdomains. Okay, analytics and statistics. Okay, that's all. All those features are included in all those plans. Okay, plus on the basic one for $39, limited customization, logo, thumbnails, images, and colors, one admin, and 10% sales commission fee. For plan 2, on top of everything, you will get free SSL certificate. Okay, if you want to design your own website. You can also build your lead magnets, blogs, and funnels for your custom website, customer messaging, and also create your own community and interact with your followers and students. Okay, that's also available here. Okay, and three admin accounts. All right. For let's say that we go with the code 3, okay? The difference is that the commission drops from 10% to 5% if you decided to go with this one, all right? So no monthly fee, all those features are included here, okay? You might consider, instead of paying monthly, you might consider the ones of, paying them so-called lifetime deal. Okay, that's also available here for you guys. Okay, so now let's dive into some of the features with Forento. You can create your courses easily. Okay, so I can just show you guys how it's all working there now. So you can definitely use it to create your video lessons, text lessons, or even the file uploads. Okay, they even host your videos for you, so you don't have to worry about third-party video services. We all know that those can get very costly. Okay, so here you can host your videos here. Once you start using the platform, you can start using their hosting facilities. Okay, even when you start off for free. Okay, so you can also what you also can do, you can sell memberships. Okay, it's where your students can pay you monthly or annually for exclusive content or access. You can build a community. Okay, using their built-in forum feature, though it is still in the basics, so bear in mind here. Okay, you can post topics, and and if you have your students want to interact with you, that's no problem, it can be done here. Okay, but right now there is no way to segment the community based on what course or membership someone has purchased. So it's everyone is been mixed together. Okay, so you can also create landing pages to promote your course and handle all your payments through Stripe or PayPal, which makes easy to get paid. All right, here when you go to the payments, you can either to go through the Stripe or PayPal, and also there are discounts available here, but only if you got a Stripe account here. Okay. So, free trial available here. I logged in, all right, as you can see, guys, just to show you how easy it is to interface and how easy it is to use. Okay, as you can see here, the dashboard is really clean and user friendly. Everything you need to have is on the left hand side. You can create courses, add videos or text lessons, and even attach files or links to your lessons. Here's a quick example. I created a test, for you, like a test, test the course for you, okay? And when you go here, okay, courses, you go to drafts, and I got here. This one here was already there. I created for you to show how easy it is, all right? Uh, One thing to note is that the text editor is pretty basic. So if you go ahead here, okay, you can upload your video. You can go for the title, text, and everything else. When you want to go, and you can even do your add links or attachments. All right, so that's all what you can do here. Okay, but bear in mind, but if you want to do some text editing, okay, it's very basic. And so if you need advanced formatting options, it might feel a bit limited at the moment, at least. Okay, but if you are focused on creating an AI-based courses, this should be a big issue for you guys. All right. So now, let's jump into some pros and cons of this software. So pros, it's super affordable, especially for the beginners. They offer a free plan, so you can start without paying any upfront cost. You can upload unlimited videos, courses, and students, built-in community and memberships options, simple payment integration with Stripe and PayPal, and also there are some cons, right? So the text editor is limited, so you can't do advanced formatting in your lessons. The community feature doesn't allow for segmentations, meaning all students see the same post regardless of what they are purchased. There is no way to mix and match different types of media in lessons right now. You can either do video or text, or not both combined, right? So overall, Forento is a solid platform. If you are just starting out and want something affordable and easy to use, it's still in beta. So they are actively improving the platform, and I'm excited to see where they go from here. Okay, if you want to give Forento a try, I will leave a link inside the description of this video where you can sign up, and I love to hear what you think. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you have any questions or you want me to cover a specific feature, drop a comment below. I'll be testing Forento more as they roll out updates. So let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks again, and I will catch you in the next video.